Hello, welcome back to Gags Kitchen Wednesday episode where we make quick and easy recipe ready in minutes. Have you tried tortilla pizza yet? If not, let's make it today. This is going to be super cheesy and absolutely delicious. And the best part, you can whip it off in no time to satisfy those midweek cravings. For this, you will need 2 tortillas, some sauce, your favorite toppings, and plenty of cheese. Let's get started. Place a baking sheet in the air fry basket and add 1 tortilla for the base. I have got some mozzarella slices, so I'm adding 4, followed by a handful of some diced cubes of mixed cheddar and mozzarella. Place the second tortilla on the top. Now spread about 1 tablespoon of your favorite pizza sauce. Add a generous amount of mozzarella and cheddar mix. If you like, you can add a few more slices of mozzarella like I'm doing it here. Top with a few black olives and your favorite protein. I'm using some of my favorite chicken pepperoni. Once everything is placed, drizzle a little olive oil over the top. Now put it into preheated air fryer and bake at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. You can bake this in oven or cook it on a good non-sticky pan. After 10 minutes it's done, take it out from the basket and place it on a bowl or a plate. Sprinkle some oregano. Slice it up and you are ready to serve. Enjoy the super cheesy pizza. Just look at this gorgeous cheese pool from that cheesy base. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. Thank you for watching Gags Kitchen and I'll see you in next one.